Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So today we are going to learn our first chapter of class 9th Geography, and the name of the chapter is India, Size and Location. What's the name of the chapter? The name is India, Size and Location. Okay, so in our previous lecture we have learned some basics and some topics of this chapter. Okay, so what were all these basics and some topics? We have learned that what is equator, what is hemisphere, what is latitude, longitude, topic of Cancer, topic of Capricorn, and India's location. So this lecture would be the third lecture, and in this lecture we are going to learn the size of India. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn the size of India. And yes, if you have not watched my previous lectures, so you can watch them now. So I have given you the link in the description, so you can watch it from there. Okay, so let's begin our today's class. Okay, so firstly I'll read all these points and then I'll explain it to you. Okay, so let's start. India is enormous in size and it's the 7th largest country in the terms of landmass. So India is not a small country, it's a big country. Yes, it's a big country, it's not a small country. And India is having the 7th position in the terms of landmass. Okay, so this means that India is the 7th largest country in the term of landmass. In the term of what? In the term of landmass. Okay, so I hope you got it. So now see, so do you know that what is the total area of India? Do you know? Don't know? No problem, I'm gonna tell you. So the total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. What's the total area of India? The total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, so now see, India also has 2.4% share of the area in the total geographical area, means our globe. So this means that India is having 2.4% share in the whole world. Let me show you an image through which we can understand more clearly. So see over here, this is our world. So over here it is India. So the India is taking only 2.4% of share in our whole globe world. In our whole world, only 2.4% of share only. Okay, so I hope you got it. So now see, have you got it all? Oh my god, I was forgetting something. Yes, Rakukbai. It's just a small trick for learning that which country is the largest in what is the position of that country and other. So see, the full form of Rakukbai is R stands for Russia, C stands for Canada, U stands for USA, then again C stands for China, B stands for Brazil, and A stands for Australia, then I stands for Hamara Pyara Bharat, our India. Okay, so I hope you got it. So what's the use of Rakukbai? We can easily know that which country is the largest country and what's the position of that country. See, this is a chart over here. You can see this image. So here Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and India. So do you know that what's the area of Russia? Don't know? No problem, I'm gonna tell you. So the area of Russia is 17.09 million square kilometer. So like that, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia all is written over here. But this is not important. In this chapter, we are learning about what? We are learning about India's size. So the size of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. What's the area of India? It is 3.28 million square kilometer. So this is very important. It's really very important. It may come in your exams also. Okay, so I hope you got it till here. Okay, so now let's understand the boundary of India. So the India is having both land boundary and coastal boundary. Both the India is having both boundaries. Okay, so let's read these points. Okay, so see, the land boundary of India is 15,000 3,200 kilometer, and the coastal boundary of India is 7,516 kilometer. That includes the islands also. Okay, so let me show you an image through which we can understand more clearly. So see, this is our India. So do you know that where is land boundary in this map? Don't know? I'm gonna show you. So see, the land boundary starts from here and it goes from here and here to here. Now it stops at here. So this is all what? It was land boundary. So so I'm gonna tell you that you know that the land boundary is not touching the oceans or seas. It's not touching oceans or seas. Okay? It means it is not touching the oceans and seas. So simple. Okay? So now do you know that where is coastal boundary? Let me show you that where is coastal boundary. So the coastal boundary also starts from Gujarat and it goes from here and here and here. It also ends from here. And the coastal boundary is touching the coast. Means it is touching the oceans and seas. The coastal boundary is touching the oceans and seas. Okay? So I hope you have cleared it. So now we are going to see another point. So let's see. We are going to see another point now. See, Yangtze Mountains bordering the country in the north, northwest and northeastern border of India. Let me show you an image through which we are going to understand these points. So see, this is our India. So at the north side means at the upper part, at the north. So there are some Himalayas, means Yangtze Mountains, Himalayas. Our mountains, so these mountains are doing what? These mountains are creating borders with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal. So Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest and China and Nepal in northeast. So this is in north. These are in north, but in northwest and northeast. So these mountains, these Yangtze Mountains are creating a border with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China and Nepal. So I hope you got it till here. So now we'll read our another section of today's topic. So let's read first. So the east-west stretch of India and the north-south stretch of India approximately is 3,000 kilometer, or we can say 30 degree. Okay? So east-west stretch is smaller than the north-south stretch. Let me show you an image through which we are going to understand it. Okay, so see, this is a map of India. So the east-west stretch of India is what? The east-west stretch of India is 2,933 kilometers, and the north-south stretch of India is 3,214 kilometers. So we can simply see over here that the east-west stretch of India is smaller than the north-south stretch of India. Okay, so I hope you got it. So now let's move to our another point. Okay, so see, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours, but both their clocks show the same timing because India follows a standard time. Because India follows what? Because India follows a standard time. So let me show you an image through which we are going to understand it. Okay, so see, here is Gujarat. So and here is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so the longitude of Gujarat is 68 degrees 7 minutes and the longitude of Arunachal Pradesh is 97 degrees 25 minutes. So the difference of both of these longitude is about 30 degree longitude. Okay, so we know that 15 degree longitude is equals to 1 hour. So this means that 30 degree longitude is equals to 2 hours. Too simple. Okay, So this is the reason that why there is a difference of 2 hours between the time of Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. This is the reason there is the time lag of 2 hours. Okay, and yes, there was again a question that why the clock, both of the clocks show the same time, but still there is a time lag of 2 hours. Why it's so? So let me tell you. So the India has taken a longitude and named it standard meridian. So our own India takes this longitude as a standard meridian. This is the reason why both Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh have the same timing. Still there is a time lag of 2 hours. I hope you got it till here. Okay, so if you all are liking my video, so please like, share and subscribe my video. Till then, bye bye.